Guys, do you looking for the what is the best WordPress theme? The right place. Today, we we will introduce you which is the best WordPress theme. Actually, Astra is the best WordPress theme for your business. My dear friends, my dear colleague, don't worry. You follow me, my YouTube channel, subscribe me. Uh, Actually, this is a business page, business YouTube channel, online business YouTube channel. We promote. There are lots of which is the best WordPress themes, which is the best WordPress themes. Do you know? Actually, you know that WordPress themes is the very uh, important matter for your business, online business. WordPress is a CMS, huh? CMS, but the theme is a very important for WordPress. Without theme, you cannot perfect WordPress website. So, I think that you will buy the WordPress themes for day by day, because WordPress themes, without WordPress themes you cannot success in life for your WordPress journey, inshallah. So my dear viewers, don't worry, you are in right place. uh, we will support you, inshallah. My YouTube channel, we will we videos a lots of WordPress review. uh, so my dear friends, uh, you watch my video 50-minute academy. uh, we provide the WordPress theme, best WordPress themes links below the description box and comment box, inshallah. So you follow the guidelines to buy WordPress themes. Click the link from my YouTube channel description box and comment box. My dear friends, don't worry, you are in right place to buy which is the best WordPress themes for your WordPress journey. We support you, inshallah. Don't worry. My name is Abdullah. I am from Bangladesh. Uh, our main working things is which is the best WordPress theme for your WordPress journey. So don't worry. Uh, we provide a lots of videos for WordPress journey and WordPress theme. My dear friends, I live in Bangladesh, from Bangladesh. Um, our experiments, the WordPress journey, uh, about 5 years ago, we know that which is the best WordPress themes for your WordPress journey. So don't worry, you buy if you buy WordPress themes, uh, please check my YouTube description box and comment box. Don't worry, my dear friends, my dear viewers, you buy the WordPress theme. I provide the uh, WordPress themes links in my description, YouTube channel description box and comment box. There are many kinds of WordPress themes, but we suggest which is the best WordPress theme. So don't worry, my dear visitors, my dear friends, check my description box for my YouTube channel and comment box. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.